Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where can you find your loyalty card on the Hervis application so that when you are shopping in a store you will be able to show it and you're going to get points or coupon codes. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this card icon down below, which is the second option in the middle, and go to the top. Here you can find your card at the top with a barcode, so you will be able to show it at the store, and here you can find your points as well. If you want to, you can use them by tapping on this blue button, and here you should type in the or tap on this activation point and then click on this button down below, so you will be able to activate the points. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.